Hi guys, it's Megan Phemz TV and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is I am here in the tourist. I am here and outside of the room and I'm doing a module guys. See? It's very hard. Okay, so at this time guys I decided to make a vlog regarding with on how to make an appointment of the information sheet. Okay guys, so if you are interested to watching this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to notify if I have new videos that will be uploaded for my next vlog. So let's start. So by the way guys, what is information sheet? Okay guys, so for those who don't know yet what is information sheet, don't worry guys because I'm going to tell you, okay? Information sheet guys is one of the requirements if you are an XOFW who are willing to work again there and abroad. Okay, so in short guys, if you are not an abroad or XOFW, or if you are first timer guys, you are not allowed to get this information sheet, okay? Because just like what I said, information sheet is only for those who are XOFW. Okay, first guys is you have to go to your browser and then you have to type their information sheet appointment. Okay, so you have to click this. As you can see, there is a make an appointment. I-click mo lang yan siya guys, and then you have to fill up the details guys. You have to fill up your last name, first name, middle name, suffix name kung meron, gender, birthday, address, province, city, mobile number, email address yung active guys ha. OFW type if you are balik manggagawa. Okay, doon ka sa balik manggagawa, or if you are a sea-based or land-based guys. Okay, so ikaw na bahala dyan guys. Okay, yung agency name guys, yung agency na nagpapalit sa'yo noon. Okay, tapos yung job site guys, kung saan kang bansa umalis noon. Okay, ito naman guys yung year of records, kung kailan ka umalis at saka kung kailan ka umuwi. Okay, yung mother's name naman guys is yung apelyido ng mama mo nung pagkadalaga niya. Importante yan guys ha, kasi kailangan mo yan gamitin pag login guys. Okay guys, so dito sa maiden name for female guys, last name ko ano yung apelyido mo, yung pagkadalaga mo, tapos yung middle name mo nung pagkadalaga mo. Okay, so dito naman sa mode of deployment guys, kung ano yung nagpapali sa'yo noon, agency hired ba, direct hired ba. Okay, so in my case guys is agency hired ako. Okay, purpose of request is new application. Okay, yung assistance guys at saka requirement is pwede mo na siyang hindi sagutan. Okay, wala namang problema guys. Okay, tapos yung application at saka others, pwede na yan hindi sasagutan guys. Okay, dito sa select branch office guys is mamili ka lang yan guys kung saan ka pwedeng mag-appointment, POA or Tigas pa, Cavite or Laguna. Okay guys, so dito guys makikita mo yung calendar guys. So click the calendar icon. Then maghanap ka dyan guys kung ano yung available na date and time. Okay guys, after that guys, i-click mo lang yung box na I hereby agree to be governed by the terms. Okay, i-click mo lang yan siya guys para may check siya. Tapos dito guys is nakalagay dyan I am not a robot. Okay, so wala lang yan siya guys kasi wala akong data. Okay, ay wala ata yung wifi ko. Okay, i-click mo na yung I am not a robot guys, and then i-review mo siya guys. After you reviewing guys is i-click mo na yung submit. Okay, so make sure guys na hindi ka magkamali dito guys kasi isang beses ka lang pwedeng gumawa ng information sheet. Okay guys, after you make an appointment, you have to print. Okay, ipiprint mo lang yun siya guys, and then ipiprint mo siya sa A4 size. Okay, so after you print guys, pupunta ka na sa during your schedule guys, pupunta ka na doon sa lugar kung saan ka nagpapa-appointment, just like POA or Tigas, Cavite or Laguna. Okay, so pagdating mo doon guys is you have to go to the security guard because yung security guard is bibigyan ka nila ng number. Okay, pag may number ka na guys, so papasok ka na doon. Okay, papasok ka na doon. Okay, so mag-wait ka lang doon, maghihintay ka lang doon kung kailan ka tatawagin, and then ayun na, may pipirmahan ka lang doon guys, tsaka ipakita mo lang yung valid ID. After that, after a few minutes guys, tapos na. Okay, Ganun lang siya guys. It's very easy and it's very accommodating lang guys. So, I hope guys that may natutunan ka sa video na ito and just give me a thumbs up, like, share. Okay guys, until here, bye!